Good morning, friends. In previous lecture, we have discussed solar power plant. Now, in this remaining part, solar concentrator. Today, we will discuss solar concentrator. Here, these 20 kilowatt solar system dishes drop visitor in Alice Springs, Australia. The concentrator use an array of mirror to focus sunlight onto high efficiency solar cell. For support, hold the cell in front of the mirror. The support also supply cooling water and electrical connection. Large scale PV power plant we can show in figure. In political economic obstacle, currently not economical, high cost of building facility needed currently can only lengthen the amount of time you have energy by a few hours would require more high voltage DC line to carry the electricity. Funding will be needed to bring solar thermal electricity into large scale development. Political economic opportunities can create 2.5 times as many skilled high paying jobs as conventional power plants that use fossil fuel. Moderate net energy, moderate environmental impact, reduce with natural gas turbine backup. Technological obstacles need backup or storage system. The solar thermal plants would need just 16 hours of storage to continuously generate electricity. Low efficiency, increasing efficiency by 20 to 30% could significantly reduce the cost of electricity. Technological breakthrough. Future solar collector will be mass produced using low cost flat mirrors rather than covered through and sit low to ground reducing with wind load. Fast construction. Land use issue. Take lots of area require high land use. Work best in desert, other areas with lost of sun. Negative environmental impact may disturb desert areas, could potentially endanger wildlife, take up at least 9 square miles of space. Positive environmental impact, CO2 emission, reduce air pollution, less use of fossil fuel. Advantage of solar energy, clean, sustainable, free, provide electricity to remove process. Disadvantages of solar energy, less efficient and costly equipment, part time, reliability depends on the location, environmental impact of PV cell production. After that, we will discuss tidal energy. These tidal electricity generation work as the tides come in and again when it goes out. The turbines are driven by the power of the sea in both directions. We can show figure of tidal plant, tidal coming in and tidal going out. Tidal energy, actual picture of tidal energy. Tides or wave is periodic rise and fall level of the areas of the sea. Tides cover due to attraction of seawater by the moon. Tides contain large amount of potential energy which is used for power generation. Tidal energy form of water power that occur in the ocean convert the energy of tide into electricity. Tidal energy renewable resources because it can be replenished caused by the moon gravity which will last a long time. Tidal energy. Tidal energy is the result of the moon gravitational attraction on earth and the way the moon gravity pulls the ocean in bulge as moon orbit Earth, the tide must be rise the water at least 10 feet. Tides governed by Earth, Moon, Sun. Tidal changes in sea level occur as Earth rotates beneath bulge in ocean envelope, which are produced by solar and lunar gravitational forces and centrifugal forces. Resources variable but predictable. Tidal power generation. Figure shows tidal power generation. Tides. When the water is above the mean sea level, it is called flood tide. When the water is below the mean sea level, it is called a ebb tide. At the time of high tide, water is at high level and can be left into a basin to the store at high level there. The same water can be let back into the sea during the low tide through the turbine, thus producing power. Since the basin water level is high and sea water is low, there is a differential head comparable to the tidal range, which can utilize for running of the turbine, turning tide into the usable energy. Ebb generating system, a dam is built across the mouth of an estuary. Sluice gate allow incoming tide to fill the basin. As the tide ebbs, the water is forced through the turbine system to generate electricity. Types of turbine. Bulb turbine used as a Lorentz tidal plant on the Brittany coast in France. Tidal energy. Figure shows tidal energy. Tidal energy advantage. Clean energy alternative needs no fuel. Reliable or predictable. Water is dense and free. Advantage of it is free from pollution as it does not use any fuel. It is superior from hydropower plant as it is totally independent of rain. It improves the possibility of fish farming in the tidal basin and it can provide recreational facility to visitors and holiday makers. Advantage tidal energy is renewable. Abundant estimate that it could be produce 60% of world energy. Pollution free, relatively consistent, unlike wind that is inconsistent and is highly concentrated in certain areas depending on the topography. Water is a free resource, present no difficulty to migrating aquatic animals. Disadvantages impact of shoreline, limited use and can affect fish migration, expensive parts. Tidal power plant can be developed only if natural sites available on the day. As the sites are available on the bay, which are always far away from road centers, the power generation has to be transmitted to long distance. This increases the transmission cost and transmission losses. The supply of power is not continuous as it depends upon the timing of the tides. The navigation is obstructed. Utilization of tidal energy on small scale is not economical. Disadvantages disturbance, destruction to marine life, effect wave climate that affect shallow shore plant life, expensive to construction, reliable have not been around along, so we do not know long term reliability, recreational cost, visual impact, sport finishing, swimming, cost of maintenance higher, power transmission from offshore passivity harder, power quality due to wave fluctuation, tidal energy, good alternative energy resource for future. This tidal electricity generation work as the tide come in and again when it goes out, the turbine are driven by the power of the sea in both direction. Tide coming in and tide going on. Here today stop. After that we will discuss geothermal energy. Thank you.